All right, welcome back. And now we're going to talk about sequences and series. So we're going to give definitions of sequences, and then we're going to talk about series and give the definition of a series. And we're going to go from there and talk about them and do all kinds of different examples and things that we can do with sequences and series, and different types of sequences and series. So first thing we're going to do is talk about writing the terms of a sequence using the nth term of a sequence. So the definition of an infinite sequence is a function whose domain is a set of positive integers. That's it. Okay, so you have a function and whose domain is the set of all positive integers. That is a sequence. Okay, now in the case of notation, we don't use function notation when we're dealing with sequences. Okay, we use the general term, right? And we use we use the general term or the nth term, right? So now a finite sequence is a function whose domain is just the set of the first n positive integers. Okay, so we have infinite sequences and we have finite sequences. We're going to deal with both. And then the notation a sub n is called the nth term or the general term of a sequence. Okay, and we're going to introduce some other notations as well as we go on.